today I'm gonna go to Seceda in Italy. Seceda is one of most popular viewpoints in Dolomites, Italy. There are two main access routes into Seceda hike. The first from Ortiz and the second from Santa Cristina. Today I'm gonna start from Ortiz to Seceda with the cable. If you don't take the cable, you can just hiking, but it take 3 or 4 hours go and return. I pay cable car from Ortiz to Seceda for 45 euro for go and return, and will take the cable car 2 times to go to Seceda. Will open from 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. from May to November. Best time to hike Seceda is really late July or early September through October. And now we are arrived, and if you want to walk near to the Seceda Mountain, you just walk around 15 minutes. You can see from here. So as soon as you step out of the mountain station, this is your view.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. That puts it
Hello,
in a
your
different-
power.
Ma paura di cosa?
There is a restaurant at the upper cable car station that serve food and drinks. From the terrace, you have the two view to the Dolomites. Hey, Carlina. Ciao. No, io niente. And now let's walk up. From this viewpoint, you can walk back down to the cable car station or turn this walk into the short loop. And this is the famous Seceda viewpoint. The circular diorama all of the peak that can be seen from the Seceda summit are listed. From high Alp view, Seceda is one of the best viewpoints in all of the Dolomites. Now it's time to go back. And we pay for parking for 15 euros.